What you doing? Yeah? Is that good for the hair? Are you doing this to basically tell Mommy she shouldn't give you food before she and Daddy are there? Mmm. Is that yummy? I love you, JT.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah? Do you want more? Daddy's not going to be happy when he comes around the corner. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love you.
I love you.